Picture this. Your credit score is a bit like a garden. Just as a garden requires regular care and attention, so does your credit score need consistent on-time payments to thrive. Now, what happens when you miss a payment? Think of it as forgetting to water your plants. The consequences can be more significant than you'd expect. Understanding late payments. A late payment is recorded when you fail to pay your credit bill on the due date. It's like missing a deadline for an important project. The effects depend on how late the payment is, how often you're late, and your current credit score. The impact on your credit score. Just one late payment can cause a significant drop in your credit score. Late payments can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years. Think of it as a stain on your favorite shirt. It's noticeable and takes a while to fade. Payments are typically reported as 30, 60, 90, 120 days late, or more. The later the payment, the greater the damage. Lenders and creditors view late payments as a sign of financial instability. It's like showing up late for job interviews. It gives a negative impression. Regular on-time payments, on the other hand, suggest that you're reliable and responsible with money. Imagine you're applying for a car loan. If you have a history of late payments, lenders might see you as a high-risk borrower, leading to higher interest rates or even loan denial. It's like having a bad reputation in a small town. Word gets around, and it affects how people interact with you. Landlords often check credit scores. A history of late payments might make them hesitant to rent to you, fearing you won't pay rent on time. The path to recovery. If you've missed a payment, make it as soon as possible. It's like apologizing right after you realize you've made a mistake. The sooner, the better. Set up reminders. Use calendar alerts or automatic payments to avoid future late payments. Think of it as setting an alarm to wake up early for an important meeting. Communicate with creditors. If you're facing financial hardship, talk to your creditors. They might offer solutions like payment plans. It's like asking for an extension on a crucial project when you know you can't meet the deadline. Lastly, go through the credit repair process. There's no point in letting these late payments stay on your credit report for 7 years when you can take action and dispute these late payments. There's a good chance you can have your late payments removed within a matter of months. Always remember that in the financial world, punctuality is key. Late payments can significantly impact your credit score, much like how small daily habits can impact your overall health. By staying on top of your payments, you're not just avoiding negative marks on your credit report. You're building a foundation of financial trustworthiness. Keep watering your financial garden diligently, and you'll see it flourish. If you have any questions, email us at service@creditfixguy.com.